this video, we're going to look at how to find the equation for a hyperbola given vertices and foci. We'll do two examples. The first example, we have vertices at 0, positive or negative 3, and foci at 0, positive or negative 5. So first of all, we know that this hyperbola is going to be vertical. It's going to open up and down because both the vertices and the foci are on the y-axis. And so that means that this value represents B, and the foci here represents C, which means we need to find A. In order to do that, we're going to use C squared equals A squared plus B squared, Pythagorean theorem. So C squared, 25, equals A squared, our unknown, plus B squared, 9. Subtract 9 from both sides. We get 16 equals A squared, meaning A equals positive or negative 4. So our equation for our hyperbola is y squared, that's going to come first because it's a vertical hyperbola, divided by 9, minus x squared divided by 16. Notice for the equation we only actually needed to know a squared. We didn't necessarily need to know what a is, equals 1. And here on the graph, you can see the graph of this hyperbola. We have our foci at positive or negative 5, and our vertices at positive or negative 3. For our next example, we have vertices at positive or negative 3, 0, and foci at positive or negative 8, 0. This means our hyperbola is opening left and right. And that means we know what A is and we know what C is, so we need to find B. So we're going to use our Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So we have 64 equals 9 plus B squared. Subtract 9 from both sides, we get 55 equals B squared, which means the positive or negative square root of 55 equals B. For our equation, we put the x squared first because this is horizontal. X squared divided by 9 minus y squared divided by 55 equals 1. And that is the equation for this hyperbola. And here we can see the graph of this hyperbola. We see we have vertices at positive or negative 3, 0, and foci at positive or negative 8, 0. And this hyperbola opens left and right. It is horizontal. That is two examples of how to find the equation for a hyperbola based upon knowing the vertices and the foci.